Hey, are you okay? You have a headache? And neck pain? Well, the two actually might be related. I think I've got just the video for you. And I'll show you 3 exercises you can start doing while watching this video to help start relieving that pain. I think you'll like exercise number 3. Stay tuned. Hi again. My name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. I'm a chiropractor in Yorkville in downtown Toronto, and today we're going to be going over your headache and why it could be coming from your neck pain. What you may be experiencing is referred to as a cervicogenic headache. Cervical relating to your neck or the cervical spine, and a headache, well, the pain, that nasty pain you want to get rid of. So, what exactly may be causing it? Well, typically cervicogenic headaches come from prolonged neck positions. This could come in the form of you sleeping improperly, you on your computer all day in poor posture, or even texting. It's pretty bad for your neck, right? And if you're in those positions for hours and hours, it can do a lot of damage to those muscles. And the repetitive stress you put those muscles through day in and day out can lead you to what you're feeling right now. So what can you do about it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises. Before we get into them, I just want to say that these exercises are designed to do at home in between your chiropractic adjustments. Chiropractic adjustments can help with the symptoms and the pain you're experiencing, and more importantly, make sure that you don't get there in the first place. So let's jump right into today's video. So the first exercise we're going to be doing is called a cervical distraction, and we're also going to add in a overhead pressure to fully stretch the muscles of the back of your neck. So to do this, we have to retract your neck. What does that mean? Well, that basically means we have to make a double chin. Now, some people like to guide their chin with a couple fingers, which is great. Some people like to use a fist. Personally, I like to use the web of your hand. It fits nice and snug on your chin there, it's comfortable, and it helps you to really ease into that stretch. So I'm going to show you the stretch now. Remember, ease into it, it's not a jerky motion, okay? So this is what it looks like. Notice how my eyes are staying level the entire time. I'm not doing this. I'm not tucking my chin. There's no head motion. You're simply pushing your chin straight back. So it's a gentle motion like this. And then once you're here, you want to take your free hand and apply some overhead pressure on the back of your head to further stretch those muscles. So this is what it looks like from the front. Now you want to hold that for about 30 seconds and then repeat 3 times. Now typically cervicogenic headaches, they happen on one side. Very rare that they occur on both. So if you do have a headache that is on one side, to target that side with this exercise, you can simply look to the right to target the left, or look to the left to target the right. It's not a full rotation, it's just about 45 degrees, and then that's where you're living, and repeat the same motions. Again, 30 seconds, repeat 3 times. And what you do to one side, make sure you do to the other. Let's jump into exercise number 2. So exercise number 2 and 3 will deal with the poor posture that you assume when you're in these prolonged neck positions. Now, why is this important? Well, a lot of the discomfort you're experiencing is not only from the prolonged neck position, but also what's happening below your neck in your upper back. And what contributes to this is, well, that poor posture. And with poor posture, you have rounding of your shoulders. And what does this do? This tightens the front muscles and stretches your back muscles. So you'll have tight front muscles and weak back muscles. So exercise number 2 is going to be a door stretch. You can simply doing this by finding any door in your house. If you have one that's small enough, you can do both arms at the same time. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be doing one side. What you're going to be doing is lining up your forearm completely with the wall, parallel to your body, and then leaning into that. You'll feel a nice stretch in that pec muscle there, and you want to hold again for about 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. But make sure you repeat this on the other side as well. So it's 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the next, and then repeat 3 times. This should really get your chest opened up and help to stretch those constricted muscles that comes with that poor posture. Will really help to open things up, get you back into that good posture that we want. And exercise number 3 will be dealing with the weak muscles in between your shoulder blades. So let's get right into that. So how are we going to engage these? Well, simply what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades together. So it's called a scapular retraction. Scapula, your shoulder blade. Retraction is like you squeezing your shoulder blades together. You're retracting your scapula. And what I want you to envision is it's not a shoulder motion, first of all. Okay, the motion is not coming from your shoulder. The motion is coming directly from your back. And what I want you to envision is you squeezing your shoulder blades together like you're trying to squeeze a pencil in between them. So from the front, this is what it looks like. Ease into it, and once you've got into the end range of motion with this, you want to hold that for 5 seconds while squeezing those shoulder blades together. And then relax. You want to repeat this about 10 times. This will help to engage and start to strengthen those weak muscles associated with poor posture, and really over time will help you get that posture open right up so it can relieve the tension in your upper back and lower neck, and will therefore help you to relieve the symptoms you're experiencing with the headaches you're currently going through. So just a small recap, what are cervicogenic headaches? Cervicogenic headaches are headaches associated with neck pain and prolonged neck positions. So really be aware of the position you're keeping your head in, especially if you're doing that task for a long period of time over and over and over again. So that's what cervicogenic headaches are really. And what are the 3 exercises we're going to be doing to help alleviate some of those symptoms you may be experiencing right now? Number 1, we got the cervical retraction with overhead pressure. Number 2, we have the door stretch, engaging that pec muscle, stretching out that pec muscle, the tight front muscles. And number 3, we have the scapular retraction or the shoulder blade squeeze, where we start to engage your back muscles and opening up that posture. I hope today's video helped. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day wherever this video is finding you, and I'll see you in the next video.